In the heart of Italy, a new rhythm beats. We are in Abruzzo, the green region of Europe, where more than 1/3 of its territory's extent is dedicated expressly to nature. With 4 national parks, 2 regional parks, 133 kilometres of the Adriatic coastline, up to Gran Sasso Mountain, 2,912 metres high. This area expresses courage and poetry, nature and industry, culture and technology. It's a land with rooted traditions, accustomed to dealing with challenges, able to look ahead, thanks to people who know the real value of work and who love living. It is an area that has an automotive supply chain with more than 200 businesses, employing 30,000 workers and generating an €8 billion annual turnover, which alone is worth 50% of total regional exports. An industrial chain made up of large multinational groups and a network of small to medium-sized businesses working in the production and transformation of commercial vehicles and motorcycles and spin-off activities. It is here that, since 2008, the Innovation Automotive programme started, which plans integration between companies, universities, research centres, schools and public agencies. The programme is carried out through the organisation of the production supply chain via the Innovation Automotive Pole and the campus, and the training sector via the ITS and the Technical Vocational Pole. A system structured like this can disseminate knowledge and skills to all different operational and strategic levels of the automotive sector. In the heart of Italy, a new rhythm beats. It is the driving force of innovation which will transform the future of transport integration. The Innovation Automotive Campus is where the mission is put into action to enhance the expertise of the commercial vehicle sector of 2, 4 and 6 wheels. In the campus, independent research will be carried out for integrated, smart and ecological transport systems through to radical innovations. Vehicles will be lighter, eco-friendly, fuel-efficient and even cheaper, able to conquer international markets. We are in Mozzagrogna village, in the province of Chieti. The Abruzzo International Airport is less than 60 kilometres away, only 20 minutes by motorway. The campus will be spread over an area which will give life to infrastructures and spaces dedicated to research laboratories, training centres and exhibition areas, and to services dedicated to the transfer of skills and know-how. The main entrance will be accessed from the nearby Val di Sangro main road, a few kilometres from the A14 Bologna-Taranto motorway junction, or by the heliport. The internal roads will link all major functional areas. The complex faces in front of a long strip of water, with a strong conceptual meaning, representing the flow of knowledge and information, the thought that generates intuition, the direction of applied research. The buildings host offices and experimental laboratories, each one dedicated to a specific area of research. Engineering transformation to create smarter and customised vehicles, new materials and new processes application for lighter weight vehicles, new technologies for innovative surface treatments, simulations and virtual testing to check out and measure products and process performance and customer satisfaction. The laboratories will host technologically avant-garde environments and instruments to be able to take on highly innovative production process and methods. The campus will be managed by an independent research organisation, which allows free and open access to the infrastructures. Respect for the environment is a key factor of the campus. Sustainability, zero impact, energy autonomy, water recovery and recycling, natural lighting, heating and cooling are taken into account in the preparation of this project. All the buildings and some of the infrastructures will host irradiance and cooling control systems, recycling water by exploiting waste and the weather, being powered by renewable energy resources. The campus will offer a series of test tracks for phonometric, trim and ABS tests on 4 different types of road surfaces for every type of vehicle and motorcycle. Many of these tests will be unique to Italy. The longest track will be used for speed, skid and safe drive tests. All the campus will be surrounded by natural barriers for noise reduction and visual impact. Also, the quality of time spent in the workplace will be crucial. The wide windows embrace the buildings, letting in the landscape, while the large glazed openings in the ceilings direct natural sunlight into the laboratories. In the heart of Italy, a new rhythm beats. It is the driving force for innovation of integrated, smart and ecological commercial transport. It is the driving force of the Innovation Automotive Campus. The Innovation Automotive Pole is a strategic tool for cooperation between industries, universities, research and training centres. The pole currently includes more than 70 independent companies from the automotive sector, and it takes on the strategic role to connect the whole automotive supply chain. The participation is open to large, medium and small companies with well-established international experience, or to newborn startups that can take advantage of the network of knowledge which they will be working in. The pole is dedicated to those people whose ambition is to propose new visions, new products and new processes in the commercial transportation sector of 2, 4 and 6 wheels, favouring the integration of tools and cross-system methodologies. The common mission is to develop new solutions in terms of high-quality standards, traceability, environmental resources and standards compliance. Joining the pole means being part of the research network devoted to all design and manufacturing process phases, management and marketing skill, and co-financing opportunities at all levels. It's a place where innovators, investors and customers work side by side because their simultaneous interconnection is a requirement, not an alternative. The innovation programme completes the training and skills system through vocational and professional training courses provided by the Higher Technical Institute of Mechanical System and the Professional and Technical Pole. The courses offered are innovative because they are created based on the analysis of new strategic scenarios in terms of innovation, eco-efficiency, green energy, innovative materials, quality of processes and traceability. All these issues are continuous evolution for the new globalised companies of the automotive sector. The joint presence of businesses together with the university and technical schools guarantees the solidity of skills transfer from the manufacturing world educational supply chain towards the students. Both the postgraduate training, the orientation and continuous training become synergic resources for the Innovation Pole and to the campus which, providing expertise, get human capital prepared to meet the demand of the job market. Since 2008, the Innovation Automotive Programme has been going. It is a large and structured strategic initiative which seeks to involve automotive and engineering companies, specialising in commercial transport and vehicles. Together with the university, the research centres, schools and public agencies are building a new future for Abruzzo and for Italy. In the heart of Italy, a new rhythm beats. It is the driving force of Abruzzo which is innovating the commercial vehicle sector.